Good afternoon, everyone. Another snowstorm in Connecticut, in America. There goes another snowstorm, another snowstorm. My name is Gemma Faye. Welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe. Today we are another snowstorm. That's supposed to be we're gonna get by the end of this. It's gonna be about like 8 inches. And look at all the trees. It's beautiful. Beautiful. You cannot even see the bottom. Over there it's really snowing. The trees are beautiful though. You see? Beautiful. But the road, it's not too pretty. Hopefully it clear by the time my son have to go work tonight. So the good thing it's Sunday. I don't have to work today, but my son is. So there you go. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye.